Good evening, everyone. I was asked by personal request to play this piece by a friend of mine, Michel Toscano. It's the Chopin Prelude in C minor. It's only 1 page long, but it's packed with emotion. It's a tragic piece, and you have to feel like you've got the weight of the world on your shoulders when you go to play it. Not hard with this pandemic going on. Anyway, I'll give it a try, and then I thought I'd give you some pointers after it on how to play what I feel helps to bring out the power of the music. Hope you enjoy it. So first of all, I think that it's useful to micro-count this piece in 16ths, because there's the dotted 8th followed by the 16th, and that rhythm has to be upheld in each case and even exaggerated in parts, so to help with the melodic line. So if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 times per bar, it simplifies it very much. Now, you have to have the dead weight of the body. And so what I like to think of is flopping right through to the floor. It's like if you're on the side of a cruise ship and the railing lets go and you're leaning against it, when you're leaning against it and you're not expecting that to happen, you plunge into the water and you head to the bottom before you even know what's happened. And somebody else on the boat sees you going in and dives in after you, so you see their hand coming and you reach for it. Well, your hand has to be able to grasp that weight. It's the weight that you're taking with each finger. So if you can imagine, this is another analogy, but if you can imagine a lobster cage and the weight is inside it, and you have to break through that cage to get at the weight. That's the struggle of the strength of your fingers taking that weight. And you have to be able to voice that way as well. So you have to use the top finger when you want the melody to come out, or an inner finger if you want the inner voice to come out. But it's the strength taking the weight without any tension in the hand or the wrist. It has to be dead weight coming in and then taking that weight with the strength of the finger. No stiffness, no tightness. So it's easier said than done, but we give it a try. So if you micro count it, that would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And you notice how I'm lifting the weight? That's my whole body weight coming for the next drop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And release on the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a new phrase. So it's a complete break, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is where it's really hard, because you want to bring out the top E flat so that you keep the line going from the F to the E flat. 3, 4. But you need that harmony inside. So new phrase, break. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 with the F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And you can stretch that out. If you think of going slower and slower, like you're counting along 1, 2, 3, 4, and then suddenly you meet quicksand, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 as you're going through it, then that would be 1, sorry, I got a release on the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a new line, new phrase, change of dynamics, piano, so soft. So release on the way up and sink gently into each key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release on the way up. 1, 2. Hear that A flat. 1, 2. So it goes to F sharp. 1 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now quiet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Legato left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break in the right but not the left. 3, 4, 1. Hear the harmony change to D flat major there. Hear the B natural. 1, 2, 3. Because you're going to C minor, and that's got to lead as the leading note to C minor. 3, 4. And you feel that decrescendo. Now it's pianissimo, so it's even softer. 1. So you want to feel the keys pushing back at you as you melt to the floor. 1, and then take the weight and grip it. 1, 2, 3. Hear that A flat. So you want to hear the G going to the A flat in the alto voice. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. But pianissimo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And take the time to cry on those notes. Like you're 1, 2. Feel sorry for yourself if you lost your job or whatever's happened. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now feel sorry. 1, 2, 3. But do it quieter. So you're in an introspective manner. You've gone into yourself and you're crying. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now feel sorry for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's building. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. New phrase in the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's where you're getting through into the quicksand. 1, 2, 3. Now hear all the notes in this chord. It's a C minor chord, so you need not just the tenuto on the top, but you need those inner voices. And you need the bass. 1, because the pedal's held from here. It's one pedal. 1/8's got to be quiet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Release on the way up. 1, 2, 3. And there's a pause. So wait until the tone is completely gone. You don't hear any more sound coming from the piano. So I hope that gives you a few ideas on that piece. It's a beautiful piece, only one page to work on, and needs big hands, needs a big stretch, but it's a pleasure to play it. It gives you an outlet for your emotions. Have a good night. Bye-bye.